Hi everyone, my name is Agatha. I am here today to talk a little bit about Reiki. So I don't know if you ever heard about this energy healing therapy, or if you ever heard the word of Reiki yourself. But I'm here to explain a little bit what it is and how does it work. So Reiki, actually the word is a Japanese and came from the Japaneses who invented, I'm not going to say invented because he was the first person that had access to this energy. His name was Mikao Uzui. And Reiki means a life force. So it's really about and people give like a religious connotation to Reiki. I don't like to do that because I am not a religious person and I do Reiki. I like to take more the scientific approach where Reiki is part of the science because it goes on the metaphysical level of the system of the body. Okay, so Reiki, and when my clients ask me, Agatha, how does it feel to receive Reiki, what I say is like, it's like you're receiving a massage but without the touching. You're gonna be as relaxed as when you receive a massage. You're gonna feel good, you're gonna feel peaceful, but the changes and the benefits are going more deep. It's very deep into not just the physical body, like the systems, the muscles and the cells, but also in the emotional body and it reduces stress because it puts you in a relaxation mode. It works also in the mental, reducing anxiety, depression, and also it works on the spiritual level. So Reiki is actually a therapy that is very well used when, for example, someone is in burnout. So most of my clients from last year, they were going through a burnout or a spiritual awakening or really a state of depression, anxiety in a moment in their lives that they were lost. And the results that we got, they were very satisfying because not just because they receive the energy, but also because when you receive Reiki and when you do the lifestyle changes that are required after the Reiki, your life is really gonna change. Okay, so how the session works, normally you're gonna lay down and then the Reiki grandmaster there is someone that is trained to have access to this energy. At the end, everybody can have access to the source's energy, but the Reiki masters are people that are trained to that, and they having a specific way to apply the highest vibration of energy so your body, your systems can heal faster. So how it happens is we place the hands on normally the chakras, and you can look at the video for the chakras so you can understand how it works. But we place the hands on the energy centers of the body that we call chakras, and we kind of transfer this energy to these centers with an intention of unconditional love. And unconditional love is the highest vibration. It's not just a feeling, it's the highest vibration that it has in the whole universe. So that's the kind of vibration that we use to transfer this energy to the client so they can get the best from the session. And some of my clients, they sleep during the session. When I do my sessions, I am able to see what kind of imbalances, energy imbalances that are happening with them. Sometimes it's a trauma that it was created in their childhood. Sometimes it's a situation like they are going through a divorce, or they're going to like a really big thing in their lives that is impacting their energy, that they can't release this energy, and Reiki really helps to kind of circulate that energy and give some clarity to the mind so we can understand, release, and heal from that experience. So what I can say is that Reiki is not just something that you're gonna go to a session and you're gonna do it, and after you're done and you're better, because nothing works like that. There is no magic pill that you can take and be healthy one day from another. But what I can say is that if you apply, the Reiki master is actually someone that can see which are the lifestyle changes that you, because of your specific situation, they're gonna be able to advise you in what is the best way to go about it, so this energy can be as balanced even after the session. Because in the moment that you receive Reiki, you're gonna feel balanced, you're gonna feel peaceful, you're gonna feel amazing. Some people cry, some people sleep. It depends on the situation of each one. But basically, this energy can be held for more time if you apply lifestyle changes. And sometimes it's in the thought level, it's in the mental level, in the emotional level. Sometimes it's in the physical level. And the Reiki master is going to be someone that's going to be able to advise you to whatever is best for you, and you have the option to follow or not. If you follow, you're gonna have that feeling for a long time, or you're gonna learn how to create that feeling for yourself, and that's the objective. So I hope you have the opportunity to experience Reiki. I have another video where I am giving you Reiki, so you can prepare for that. You can go to this session and really try it. It's online, it's not the same thing as in person, but you might feel it. And if you want to leave any comments, please let me know what you think about. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.